Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Get Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix you're not able to play MOV files whenever you're trying to play and how you can fix this. So right now, as you can see on the downloads, having one particular file over here, it's actually a video, and if I try to check it, as you can see the properties, if I go to the properties, this particular file is MOV file. And I wanted to play it, but I'm not able to play it. If that is the case, how you can play it? So to play it, what you need to do is first you just need to click over here, right click and go to open with, and you'll be having an option called media player. Just click on this one. So that just click on the media player once again, go for always. And right now, as you can see, this particular file will be played like this. So this is how we can play an MOV file in most cases. But if that is not the case, we have one more solution. That's all about we have to go over here in the Microsoft Store and you have to go to the home, and here we need to search for VLC. Just search for the VLC media player, so you'll be getting the VLC like this. So this is actually a media player which is called VLC media player, and you have to install it. So once this is installed, right now on my case, this particular app is already installed. So what I need to do is I just need to go over here. And now I need to do is just go over here, search for VLC media player, and I need to click on this one. So it will be launched over here like this. Now what I need to do is just go over here in the media, and there is an option called open file. Click on this one. And now I need to navigate to where this the file which I wanted to open. So just click on this particular file over here. I need to click on this one. So that as you can see, this particular file is being played over here, and you can see this is getting played, and this is how you can play any MOV file on your system. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon next video. Bye.